Welcome back. It's 5:45 right now. Local pediatric emergency room doctors are sounding the alarm. They say that parents are waiting way too long to bring their kids to the ER because they're afraid of catching COVID-19. WPTV News Channel 5's Tori Dunnan has more.
It's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your child's health care.
It's simply put, and that's the message from pediatric emergency room physician Dr. Jasmine Nebhrajani at Palm Beach Children's Hospital.
We have seen a significant drop in patients.
The drop in pediatric patients at the hospital stems from the fear of catching coronavirus there.
Patients are waiting, a couple more days, which can mean a lot in the medical world. If this patient would have come in maybe 2 days before, then that outcome wouldn't have happened.
She says she's even having conversations with parents about putting fears aside when children need to be admitted.
We're doing a good job in trying to isolate patients that we are suspected of having coronavirus or have tested positive for coronavirus.
At West Boca Medical Center,
we saw a dip in our numbers.
It's much of the same, says Dr. Charles Jean-Pierre, the medical director of the pediatric ER.
There's some emergency that they really cannot wait. And if you wait longer for those emergency, you're putting your kid more in danger.
He points to complications when it comes to waiting with asthma, diabetes, abdominal pain, and appendicitis.
What we see now is because they're taking longer to bring the patient into the emergency room, most of them get admitted because they didn't come early enough so we can treat them.
He shares his thoughts on going to a hospital when the need arises.
I feel safer for me to go to work than to go to the grocery store because, when you go to a place that there's been a screening going on and you protect yourself and, you feel more comfortable.
Doctors say it's also helpful to have someone you trust, like a pediatrician, someone you can call to then make that decision about whether or not you should go to the ER. Tori Dunnan, WPTV News Channel 5.
Hey, heads up from the FBI.